Hello everyone! Is your car's engine struggling to accelerate or experiencing sudden power loss? If you've scanned your vehicle and found the P0638 code, this means there's a problem with the throttle actuator control system. A failing throttle system can cause jerky acceleration, poor fuel economy, and even a complete loss of throttle response. In this video, I'll explain what P0638 means, its symptoms, and most importantly, where to find the sensors and components so you can fix the problem easily. Let's get started. What is P0638? The P0638 code stands for Throttle Actuator Control Range Performance Bank 1. This means that the throttle body isn't opening or closing properly due to an issue with the electronic throttle control system. Since modern cars use drive-by-wire systems, any failure in this circuit can cause major performance issues. Common symptoms of P0638: check engine light on reduced engine power, limp mode activation, delayed throttle response or no response at all, rough idling or stalling, poor fuel economy. If you're experiencing any of these, it's time to inspect the key components. To diagnose P0638, check these key components. Throttle body and throttle position sensor location, mounted on the intake manifold, where the air intake hose connects to the engine. Function: regulates airflow into the engine based on accelerator pedal input. Throttle actuator control, TAC, motor location, built into the throttle body assembly. Function: electrically controls the throttle plate opening and closing. Accelerator pedal position sensor, APP sensor. Location: attached to the accelerator pedal inside the driver's cabin. Function: sends throttle input signals to the ECU, which then controls the throttle body. Engine control unit, ECU PCM. Location: under the hood or inside the vehicle near the firewall. Function: controls the throttle actuator and adjusts airflow for optimal performance. Wiring and connectors. Location: between the throttle body, TAC motor, APP sensor, and ECU. Function: ensures proper power and signal transmission between components. Common causes of P0638: faulty throttle body or throttle position sensor. Dirt buildup or a defective sensor can cause throttle plate misalignment. Bad throttle actuator control, TAC, motor. A worn-out motor can prevent the throttle plate from opening correctly. Malfunctioning accelerator pedal position sensor. If this sensor fails, the ECU won't receive the correct throttle input. Wiring or connector issues. Damaged, corroded, or loose connections can disrupt throttle control signals. Engine control module, ECU, failure. If the ECU malfunctions, it may not properly regulate the throttle system. How to fix P0638. Step 1. Inspect the throttle body and clean it. A dirty throttle plate can get stuck, causing airflow problems. Step 2. Check the throttle position sensor and throttle actuator control motor. Test for voltage and replace if faulty. Step 3. Inspect the accelerator pedal position sensor. If it's giving incorrect input, replacing it can fix the issue. Step 4. Examine the wiring and connectors. Look for broken or corroded wires between the throttle body and ECU. Step 5. Reset the code and perform a throttle relearn procedure. After repairs, use an obd2 scanner to reset the code and test drive. Ignoring P0638 can leave you with a sluggish, underperforming engine and a dangerous driving experience. Fixing this issue restores acceleration and ensures smooth throttle control. For more car repair tips, check out these videos. P0530. AC refrigerant pressure sensor circuit malfunction. P0531. AC refrigerant pressure sensor circuit range performance. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car diagnostics.